Hello, thank you for watching Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing Box Break of 2014 Top Stadium Club. 3 mini boxes, 3 on-card autographs, bunch of base cards, parallels, not much else. But yeah, it's all about the autographs primarily in this product. Stadium Club it's an old product they brought back. One of my favorite products from the old days. Probably, I think Stadium Club was their first high-end product going back to like 92. Anyways, let's start by saying check us out at www.valleysportscards.com. You can shop from your home now. Just click the button. Everything's available. Pay with PayPal. On Twitter, we're at Cardboard Lord. Instagram, Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana with underscores in between every word. Facebook, Valley Sports Cards, Memorabilia, and Picture Framing. There's a 10% off coupon on there. Like us, print it out, bring it in every time. You get 10% off one item every single time you come into the store. And the store is at 19640 Ventura Boulevard, 818-705-2255. All right, in case of a card with if there are 2 teams on the card that 2 people have bid on, we will go to random.org and we will let the computer decide who wins the card. All right, here we go. Does not want to open. Three mini boxes. A lot of packaging on this. Not eco-friendly. Wow, this is a lot of packaging. Let's do this. One. Get this out of the way right now. This packaging really doesn't want to open. Topps, always known for their very good packaging. I'll try with this one. All right, here we go. 3 mini boxes, 3 autographs. Let's start over here. Darvish, Yount, Cal Ripken Jr. You can see that. Rizzo, Jason Worth. Hard to read the lighting. Foil on here. Is that Fernandez? Is that Ernie Banks? Yadier, Ricky, Jay Bruce. Also, I do believe all the autographs in the Stadium Club are on card, which is definitely a nice thing. Ozzie Smith, Chris Sale, Jason Hayward, reflective but not numbered. Matt Kemp, looking cool. And Prince Fielder. Alright, we got Ellsbury, Donaldson. And this is our first autograph. Yankees, Dean Anna, on card, Yankees autograph. And Mike Trout. Derek Jeter. You're a bum, Jeter, but I respect you.
Jeter, go Jeter. Jeter, no Jeter.
Did you see the Will Ferrell rant? It's funnier. Jeter. Jeter. All Jeter for now on. Roger Clemens. Wow, that's a heck of a picture. I don't know what. Gene Segura. Alex Gordon. Marte. What's that? Who's that? Ian Desmond and Sandy Koufax. Die cut. Someone pull the Dodgers? Someone always takes the Dodgers. There you go. There's a nice card. And there's Oscar Taveras, rookie. Todd Frazier. All right. Let's put that Koufax aside. That's a nice card. Centering's nice on that too. All right, second mini box. You got Zimmerman, Schmidt, Pujols, die cut. It's a nice card. Luminous. That is 3 guys, and one of them is Matt Cain. And here we got Robinson Cano in the throwback. I love those old Mariner uniforms. It's one of my favorites of the 80s. All right, Brooks Robinson, old-timer. Jeff Bagwell, another old-timer. Michael Wacha, future star, die cut. Tim Lincecum with the mustache. Boy, that is a funny-looking picture of Tim Lincecum, I gotta say. And Zach Greinke. A few Dodgers you can't complain about right now. It's hard to complain about Greinke right now. He pretty much did his job. Harvey. Zach Wheeler. Oh yeah, we got Chuck Luke in the house, by the way.
Hello.
Jose Abreu.
Guest collector.
Rookie. Very nice. What's that? That's Manny Ramirez as a... No, it's Hanley Ramirez. Like Manny? No. That's Hanley. It's a full reflector thing. That's a neat looking card. And Jeff Samardzija. Upton. This is our next autograph. CJ Crone, California. Anaheim, Angels of Los Angeles, and other vicinities. So we got Bryce Harper, Ryu, Latos, and we'll saw through these last 2 packs, knowing there's Mike Napoli looking very hairy. Yasiel Puig, Evan Longoria, Nolan Ryan, insert. Miguel Cabrera. Miguel does not know who Yastrzemski is. Cabrera. That's another Yadier card. There's 2 Yadier cards in there. There's a gold. Is that numbered? Andre Dawson. No number, just gold foil. There you have Stan the Man. Ventura, Yordano Ventura. We're all pulling for him. Brett Lowry. All right. One more. One more mini box, one more autograph. Matt Carpenter. Adam Wainwright. Beam Team, Troy Tulowitzki. Evan Gaddis wearing a Bear uniform. Outfit, something. Look at that. Really. I'm not joking.
What's that about?
He's wearing a bear.
Okay.
I think that's a pregame ritual, evidently.
It's weird.
And Billy Butler.
Go Royals.
There we got the Duke in action. That's a nice shot. It's actually a really nice card. Shame he's not alive anymore. It'd be a nice card to get signed. Another old one, Bob Feller, who's still signing. Passed away 3 years ago. Cole Hamels. Profar. I'm sorry, that was a horrible joke. Rosario. Actually, I think there's a hole cut in the coffin for an arm. I'm sorry. I apologize to the Feller family if they're watching.
Do you have any signatures from the Florida State quarterback?
Sandy Koufax looking
That's
quite
beautiful.
jubilant. That's a nice Koufax card. Craig. Oh, that's Greg Maddox. That was Kimbrell. Greg Maddox. Simmons, shortstop. Starlin Castro, reflective, shiny. And Ryan Zimmerman. We got both Zimmermans, both Ryan and Jordan. No Bob. What's this? Is this a, also got a redemption. Carlos Gomez and redemption for Chris Owings. I believe he is on the Arizona Diamondbacks. But yeah, redemption for of Chris Owings. There you go. There's our third autograph. Let's saw through the rest of this. Hunter Pence. So he'd be my favorite player if he wasn't a Giant. I like him though, but he's a Giant. Eventually he'll get. I don't know. He won't. Eventually he won't be a Giant.
Trade.
There's Mookie Betts, one of the more popular rookie cards right now. All right, we got Choice, Bell, Albert. Don't call me Joey Bell. Agon, Randy Johnson, batting, Sonny Gray. And to finish off this box, we got O'Hara, Jose Canseco. Wow, that's a reflective shiny Adam Jones. Is that numbered? 16 of 25. Look at that. A little surprise at the end of the box. That's kind of, I don't know, some sort of refractor of some sort. At a 25, Adam Jones. Oh, that's probably the best hit of the box right there. Hopefully someone picked the Orioles. Yep. Shelby Miller, and finally, Justin Verlander. I will make no comments about that. Thanks for watching. Stadium Club. Box break, Valley Sports Cards memorabilia and picture framing, www.valleysportscards.com. Remember, you can shop from home. Twitter at Cardboard Lord. Instagram, Valley Sports Cards. I'm Tarzana with underscores between every word. Facebook, Valley Sports Cards memorabilia and picture framing. 10% off coupon. Bring it in. Get 10% off any one item every time you come in at 19640 Ventura Boulevard. 818-705-2255. Thanks for watching. See you later.